Hello friends, today we have with us your favorite Giaa Manek. Recently, Giaa received gifts from her fans. So without any further ado, let's see what all she unwraps.
थैंक यू सो मच एंड हम लोग अभी वापस विदाउट एनी ओकेजन मिले हैं क्योंकि मेरे लिए मेरे फैंस ने कुछ और गिफ्ट्स भेजे हैं. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मोर टाइम लेट्स जस्ट सी व्हाट यू ऑल हैव सेंड फॉर मी. सो पहली गिफ्ट खुल गई है. ओके, सो टीम जिया मानेक ऑन इंस्टाग्राम हैज सेंट मी दिस क्यूट पेयर ऑफ इयररिंग्स. सो यूल सी मी वेयरिंग दिस सून. थैंक यू, वेरी प्रिटी. So we move on to our next gift. ये मुझे लगता है किसी एक फ़ैन ने सारे फ़ैन से कलेक्ट करके मुझे एक साथ भेजा है. ओके, दिस इज़ फ्रॉम एटी स्वीटी. सो एटी इज़ माई इंडोनेशियन फ़ैन. तो एटी ने मुझे लगता है सबसे गिफ्ट्स कलेक्ट किए और मुझे भेजे. लेट्स सी एटी व्हाट्स इन स्टोर फॉर मी. So this is a purse from Nurlela, fans Giaa Manek on Instagram. Thank you, that's a purse. Okay, thank you. That's love from Indonesia, Indonesian purse. I think I've become an Indonesian girl now. मेरे पास इतने सारे इंडोनेशिया के कपड़े हैं, बैग्स है, शो पीसेस है. माय गॉड, मेरा घर आधा इंडोनेशिया ही बन गया है. Okay, so there is a bag inside a bag. Okay, so this is a wallet. Okay, thank you. I'll start using this from today itself. Thank you. This is a nice color, beige. Thank you, Nurlela. Okay, this is from Tevi. I don't know. You deserve the best. Thank you. Oh, that's a cute wallet. So I have two wallets now. Wow. Okay. Pink color. Thank you. That's so cute. Thank you, dear. I love the wallet you sent for me. I'll start using it. Thank you. This is from... Okay. I love Giaa Manek. Oh, that's my autograph. But you didn't write your name. ये किसने भेजा है? So I think I have almost 12 cups now. All of them sent to me by my fans. Thank you. Today's coffee in this. This is from Giaa Manek Didi. So that's a keychain. Nail polish. Wow, all girly things inside. Okay, that's another heart-shaped keychain. Okay, this is a hair clip. This is a bracelet. Thank you. Okay. Oh, slipper keychain. Okay. Another mug. Okay. So this is love for Giaa Manek from Indonesia. Thank you. That's Gopi Bau photo. Thank you so much. Oh, there's one more thing. Okay. So what is this? It's a scarf. It's called Batik Halus. Oh no, it's a kurta, I think. Large sized kurta. Okay, that's a cute one. I'll wear it when I come to Indonesia. Let's see when I'm coming again. Thank you. Again, you all have not written your names, so I don't know who sent me. Please DM me after you all see the video so that I know who has sent me what. Is this a pillow? Pillow लग रहा है. So we finally unpacked this gift. We took 5 minutes to unpack it, all three of us together. And finally I opened this cute pillow which has a lot of my Indonesian memories. So this is Ati Sweetie, if my fans don't know her. This is her again. So this was at the hotel reception where I was staying. So thank you for this cute pillow. I love this color, and I'm going to hug this and sleep. Yeah, thank you. This is from Sinta Mifi, Indonesia. So Sinta, you've sent me this beautiful showpiece, which I guess is supposed to be hung on the wall. It's very beautiful, which takes me to the beach. It has shells, it has a crab, um, and it has sand inside. But I'm sorry that this has a crack. I'll try to replace the glass because I really want to keep this. It's very, very beautiful. Just avoid sending me glass stuff so that it doesn't break, because it's coming all the way from Indonesia. And I don't want you to feel bad after seeing this. I'll try to fix this. Thank you. Okay. Sinta, I like your name. Sinta. Crazy cat.
I think that's the lucky charm there, I guess.
I think so, yeah.
Lucky cat.
Yes. So, I already got a lucky cat on my birthday, which was sent by one of y'all. And I got another lucky cat. Okay, so this is Ma and Beti together. So there are two together. So cute. I have one which I've kept over there. And this is the other one. So I think this will go in my room because this is mother and daughter both together. It's so cute. And this one looks more naughty. Thank you so much. Naughty cat. Crazy cat. Sorry. And the third one is... So this is a cute dress sent by you. This is exactly my size. And I love flower prints. And it's a very nice, perfect dress for summer. Because in India, 10 to 11 months it's hot only. We hardly experience good cold weather. So this is very pretty. I think I'll wear this today evening. Thank you. Very pretty. Read kar leti hu thoda. Please. Okay. Sinta, I know your ID now. So I'll tag you. Thank you. Hello Giaa, my name is Sinta. I'm from Indonesia. I'm following you on social media. You have an inner beauty. Your inner beauty is brain. Okay, I like your brain, beauty and behavior perfectly into my heart. To beginning, wonderful smile every minute, every second, everywhere. I always love you and support you. Okay, that's a very, very sweet message. So it's a long one. I'm going to read it because this is only for me, not for everybody to know what you've written. It's secret between you and me. Thank you. Oh, this is my fan, Ati Sweetie, Indonesia. Hello. That's a cute picture. Thank you. Hi Giaa, we were different in many ways. Because of that, I never ask you for what I get from you. You already gave me more than I expected. Maybe what I gave for you doesn't mean anything, but I really hope. Of course, the things that you all do for me is more than enough. Even if you're not sending me these things, I know who my fans are genuinely, and I know what you all do for me, and I'll appreciate it till the time I'm alive. And y'all are not only my fans, y'all are also my family. Y'all are also my best critics, because I know if y'all say something that y'all don't like in me, it's for my good, because y'all want me to be nothing but the best. So you really don't need to send all these to show your love. I know you love me, and I love you all. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And yes, I will read this letter when I'm alone in my room. Thank you. So let's see the other gift that you have sent me. That is, okay, it's a t-shirt. Okay, so it's a t-shirt. Okay, so that's a t-shirt. Yes, I have seen a lot of y'all wearing this on Instagram and posting pictures. How many t-shirts have you made like this? This is so sweet. So I'll click a picture in this and I will send you all, and y'all can make a collage and keep it in your Instagram if y'all like it. Thank you for this sweet photograph with my autograph on it. This is so sweet. Thank you so much. RD. Armand RD. This is by airmail. Armand RD. You are from Indonesia or India? Okay. Oh yes, my okay, Indonesia. I give this to you. This fabric is traditional Indonesian cloth, batik cloth. I would feel very happy if you wear it like Sari Mumtaz. And I'm even more pleased if you send it to me. Reply to, okay, so you've sent me a DM. Thank you, Arman. That's so cute. I'm looking forward to getting it stitched and wearing it and uploading a picture in this. Thank you. Oh, what is this? Okay, it's a jewelry. Thank you for this beautiful piece of jewelry. And so here is your cloth. Interesting. I like purple color. This is a nice combination of purple and mustard. So I'll see what I can make out of this material, and I'll get it stitched soon and I'll wear it for you people. Thank you so much, Arman. Okay, so India Forums has received this letter for one of the gifts that have been sent for me from Indonesia, I believe. The problem is, I think somebody has sent me a very, very expensive gift. That's why it's stuck at the customs, because the customs have their own rules and regulations. So I think the person who has sent this, I'll just read out the customer ID, so that whoever has sent this for me, you can just track it and get back to me, so that I can just go and get it cleared, because they need a purchase bill, which certainly I don't have. So you'll have to send it to me on Instagram or somewhere on social media, so that I can take a copy of that and take it to the customs. So the tracking number is EE 1877 977 11 I for ice cream, D for donkey. So please message me the purchase proof, so that I can go and get it cleared. And please don't send very expensive stuff. Please don't send glass stuff so that it breaks. You can just send me letters. This is more than enough. Thank you once again, all of y'all, for making an ordinary day special with all your love. Something that you all keep doing all the time. Special thanks to Team Giaa Manek, because you have been messaging me for a long time from February if I've received your gift. But yes, I did receive your gift. We were just waiting for a few more gifts to come so that we could do the segment together. And big thank you to Indonesia once again for having me there in Indonesia 3-4 months back, for giving me the kind of love which I don't think I've ever received in my life, and for continuing showering the same love on me. Thank you so much. Aku Cinta Indonesia. Thank you, Team Giaa Manek. I love you, and lots of love.
We hope that your token of love has reached Giaa. Keep sending your love, and we promise to deliver it to your favorite stars. Don't forget, for more updates on your favorite stars, like, share and subscribe on YouTube to India Forums. Addiction at its best.
Hi, this is Giaa Manek. You are watching me on one and only India Forums. Please subscribe to their YouTube channel.
Ashima Chopra, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.